Each a health insurance policy, a dooryard savings bank. Each a vitamin mine from which you can take stuff more precious than silver or gold. A garden that will furnish plenty of nutritious, vitamin-packed vegetables for the family table. But remember what Grandpa says, no work, no garden.
What are you learning about?
Our garden. See if we can actually grow something.
What are we growing this year?
All kinds of vegetables. Tomatoes, cucumbers, spinach, beets, pumpkins, squash, peas, beans, lettuce, basil, onion, garlic, maybe some watermelon. We have a lot of learning to do.
Choose your weapon.
Hurry up, we have digging to do and not much sunlight.
First, we had to figure out where the garden would actually go.
This is a good spot. We need lots of sunlight and room to expand and space for the lawnmower to get around. Place that we can get the garden hose to the garden.
Huh. I didn't think about that.
That's why you have the bug.
After discussing it with their advisory board, we had a location.
It's where my grandmother's garden used to be once upon a time. It's right outside the kitchen door. The garden hose can get there easily. I can see my vegetables growing on a daily. I can pop in the garden and eat some vegetables when I get home from work.
Why do you like to garden?
I don't know. I just like having fresh food at our fingertips, something that we've grown from a little seedling. It's cool. It's just relaxing to get out in the garden and not have to worry about anything else.
It's looking really good.
Oh, thanks. Okay, get back to work. Shoo. What are the chances he's gonna scoop me up? Service at its best.
You actually fit in there quite nice.
I do, it's quite comfortable. A little bumpy.
You arrived at your destination.
A fresh load of topsoil to start the garden.
The soil is loosened thoroughly so that the tender roots can grow through it easily. In this rich, loose soil, plant roots will now find plenty of nourishment.
What are you eating?
Beans.
From where?
Our garden.
A mammoth of a cucumber. Yeah, pick that. Not bad.
Cucumbers need a lot of water. I don't think they're getting enough water. It hasn't rained a lot.
Yeah, we used to have one here, but Wally ate it.
Where did you get this?
Wally, where did you get that plant from?
Did you get it from the garden? Yeah, that's bad. You're not allowed in the garden.
First harvest from the garden.
Whoa.
It has meant much work, but it's worth it.
This makes me feel good.
Yeah. We grew our own food.
Too shabby for our first garden.
As the sun shines on the green leaves, they make food for the plants.
Here too.
The seeds are planted in straight and even rows. Rain, rain, don't go away. The gardeners say.
Now you know why people feel like celebrating at harvest time.
All over the world, people have feasting and good times when the crops have been gathered in.
Our feast is ready.
How good they taste.
Year 3.
Our garden is now 3 times the size. From this big.
To this big. And now that we kind of know what we're doing, we're just getting started.
Do you like standing in a queue for your vegetables, or do you think it's tiring and a waste of valuable time? And surely, isn't an hour in the garden better than an hour in the queue?